Hello, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update. I'm going to talk about a currency pair that I think is going to have a nice run again starting today. Before we do that, guys, I'm going to just go through the Pro Trend System results here on the weekly charts. On the left hand side are the currencies here. Here is the weekly time frame. Here is the direction of the trade, and here's the P&L in here. Okay, so if it's red, it's currently down. If it's green, it's currently in profit. Those amounts of pips. These are pips, okay, points here. If it's green, it's making nice pips. If it's red, it's just losing, as I said. All right, so some really nice small ones here. You can see 76, 56, 5, 12, 13 pips down at the moment. And then the big ones here, 435 pips in 13 weeks on the euro sterling short. That's been a great short to have, and that's come down really nicely indeed. And when we set up these weekly charts, it's not about being too active. We don't want to be doing too much, i.e. we don't want to be over managing these trades. We don't want to be getting our stop too tight, and that's one of the biggest problems with new traders that are starting out, that they get their stop too tight. They choke the trade before it takes off. And you can see here, wouldn't you like to have some of these trades? And you can see it updating here in real time. Here's the pound Australian dollar, 863 pips profit at the moment. So, if you were long, let's say you were long £10, you'd be making 8,607. You see it updating here in real time. If you were doing it with £1 a point in a spread betting account, you would have been up. You'd be up £860 profit. Very nice indeed. Pound CAD making 553 pips profit. Pound Swissy 500. Pound Japanese 543. Big one here. Pound New Zealand dollar 934 pips profit on the pound New Zealand dollar, guys. Been a cracking trade. That's the one I want to talk about in 1 second. So you can see here that we've really just focused a lot of the trading. We've focused on sterling, the currency pairs here against the British pound, pound Aussie, pound New Zealand, absolute beauts. And I think it's the pound again that's going to start to push higher. You can see we don't want to be really trading too much the Aussie dollar. I mean, the Aussie dollar up here, it's flat, isn't it? I mean, look at the profits. 12 and 19 and 5 and 7. 75 down. And you see, it's the pound we want to be trading. This thing is, on fire, and we're getting some big profits out of it. So, you want to go to the markets that are moving, that are having big moves, and you want to be trading those. You want to avoid the Aussies at the moment. It will come again. And that's the secret, really finding out which markets are taking off. And this is what we can do here with our radar screen and our pro trading system. So let's dive into the pound New Zealand chart and have a little bit more detail on that. So let's go start on the 1 hour time frame here. We've been looking for longs. This market's moved today on the 1 hour time frame. We were looking for longs only today, and this has moved up nearly 100 pips in 1 day. So it's been great to trade, and we were just looking for long trades. Now let me show you why we were just looking and trading long side today. Lovely morning session, just green buy signals, PTS green buy. Why weren't we looking for short side trades? Let me show you. So if we go to the weekly chart, and this is, I highly recommend taking your analysis from the weekly time frame. A lot of people take it from the daily, which I think is perfectly fine, and I do as well. But I like to set up some of these trades where I can be in it for weeks and weeks and weeks, and step back a little bit. So we had the trend predictor. This trend predictor proprietary indicator here is giving us the heads up that the next week. So this candlestick here was last week's trading. All right, let me just open it up again. And then we had a green trend predictor. That closed on Friday night, 10 p.m. So that told us that this week, starting Monday, that we could be going up. Now, the weekly time frame's already lovely green long trade. Look, that was a short side, and then we dropped. This is a long side, so we're looking for longs, okay? So number one, we come to our charts on a Monday. Starting Sunday night, really, because that's where we're just sort of analysing for the week ahead, and we already know which direction we're going to be trading the pound New Zealand. Now we know that the pound New Zealand's strong pro trend system buy. already because it's green all the way up here. If it was red, then we'd be looking for shorts. So we get the green trend predictor long, we're looking for long side trades. Now, if I open this up and do a bit of technical analysis with you, you can see here that we got this double top. Now, this double top area was resistance in September, right here, and then we hit this a few weeks ago, about 4 or 5 weeks ago. Now, what the good thing that's happened here is that we've consolidated. Now, there's been a lot of breakout traders taking that breakout. That's the wrong thing to do. In the FX market, breakout trading does not work. We fade the breakouts. So whoever bought the breakout 2481 is under pressure. So we want to see what the pullback provides us with, and this is where the trend predictor comes in. Now, this is consolidated before or just after a breakout area. Okay, so we've gone up, we've broke out, faked everybody into the breakout, we've pulled back, and we're consolidating. Now, for this breakout, we should or we could have seen a double top drop where we literally just drop from that double top. We haven't. We've stalled or we've held the pullback. Now, if we hold the pullback and don't drop with the double top drop, which we haven't, then the likelihood of breaking higher increases dramatically. Okay, so double top, if we hold after a double top, there is every chance we break out and push much higher here. All right, so we pieced it together. We're already long again today. We're already long on the weekly, and it's bringing in that 934 pips profit already. I'm looking at this for more upside for a much bigger move on the pound. All right, guys. Hope it helps. We're going to talk more about this at Learn to Trade in December as well. And all our proprietary indicators, you get those on the Pro Trader program. Just inquire through our helpline. Just inquire through our live chat or speak to Chris in the office. All right. I think there is a Black Friday deal that's happening as we speak. So take advantage of that because going into 2020 is going to be a fantastic year. We want to be catching some of these bigger moves with these indicators, and we certainly will do. All right. Hope it helps, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, guys. Hit the subscribe button below this video and you will get notifications on the next trading update. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Hit that subscribe button and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.